experience I love the most on board is Grüner Bar Dining. I really wanted to create a space that was a lot more relaxed and in the style of a European neighbourhood wine bar.
I love this atmosphere. I love that it's a boutique experience. I love that we've got lots of tables for two. The type of experience that we've created here is all about dining with shared plates.
You order some share plates with friends, then you might have another bottle and maybe order some more food to share. But I really wanted a space that broke away from the traditional catering. And I think a lot of our venues do break that mold in different ways. But for me, a wine bar is like the ultimate hospitality experience.
I've got to say, I was excited by the idea of it. I didn't realize how excited I was going to be until last night. We had a great evening. We sat up on the top deck. We were sitting around the bar. Drinks were being presented. It was so special.
The food and the flavours were beautiful. The wines were fabulous.
So I didn't realize how special the Grüner Bar was going to be until last night.
What is even more special is that this venue can actually, the entire venue as a world first, lifts all the way up from the 3rd floor to above the sun deck, and we had the most spectacular views.
Which lets you look over other ships and over the riverside and offers great panoramas over the river, so you can really enjoy and savour that European experience.
It's very busy here in the Netherlands now with these 8 weeks of time frame when everything is in bloom. So all the other guests from all the other companies, they were all looking at us like, what is this cruise line here? We just go up and we enjoy the dinner there, and everybody wants to be here.